Video we're going to solve radical equation. A radical equation is the equation contain a radical. Like for example, this one is the square root or cube root. That is called radical. Now to solve for a radical equation, first we have to make sure that the radical is by itself. So we have to isolate the term by -5 both sides. So now to isolate the term, so now I have 2x minus 3 equal to minus 3. Then to simplify the square root, what we do is we need to square that to cancel out the square root. Because I square this term here, I have to do exactly the same thing to the other side. So now the square root and the 2 here cancel out. We're left with 2x minus 3 equal to 9. Now we solve for x by plus 3 both sides. So now I have 2x equal to 12. To solve for x, we need to eliminate the 2. So by divide by 2 both sides. So this gets cancelled out. So now x equal to 6. Now we're done to here. We have to check the answer. Let's check the answer. So times 6 minus 3. It will be blue. So then plus 5. I will check answer, so I'm going to put a question mark here. So now let's simplify. I have 12 minus 3 plus 5. Is this equal to 2 or not? That's why we put the question mark there. So now I have 9 5 equal to 2 or not. Now the square root of 9 is 3. Now 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is not equal to 2. That means this is not a good solution. So our answer is no solution. That is the answer for this problem. When we work with a radical equation, always have to check, because sometimes the solution here is not good. Let's try another example. By solving for x for this problem. To solve this problem, we need to isolate the radical by square both sides. When you do this, the radical and the 2 cancel out. I'm left with 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 square. And then we simplify. Now please be careful. X minus 1 square is not equal to x square minus 1 square. You have to solve this problem here by use FOIL, because x minus 1 square equal to x minus 1 times x minus 1. Now if you remember the formula, you have a minus b square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then you can just use this and solve to simplify this problem, or you just have to throw it out like so. Okay, like that. If you do that, on the right hand side here you have x squared minus 2x plus 1. Okay, because remember x is a, 1 is b, so I'm using this like that. So over here I copy this one down. I recognize that this equation here is the quadratic equation, and to solve for this equation I want to have one side of the equation equal to 0, so this here I want to equal to 0 here, and to do that I will minus 2x minus 1 both sides. I have 0 here, I have x squared minus 4x, and this guy here equal to 0. I see that I can solve this by factor out the x, like so. So I have x equal to 0, or x minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, remember I have one thing times another thing to factor, so I can set x equal to 0 and this whole thing equal to 0. This here I have this answer, over here I have x equal to 4, this is the answer. Because once again we have to check our answer to see is it good or not. So I'm going to check the answer. So the problem was 2x plus 1 equal to, so x minus 1. Yep. So I'm going to check for x equal to 0. For x equal to 0, I have 2 times 0 here is 0, plus 1 equal to 0 plus 1. I mean minus 1. So I have 0 plus 1 is 1, square root that is 1. Right here I have minus 1. 1 is not equal to minus 1, so it's not true. Now for x equal to 4, we do the same thing. I have 2 times 4 plus 1, and then 4 minus 1. So I get 2 times 4, 8 plus 1 is 9. The square root of 9 is 3. 3 is equal to 3. So that means the answer for this is good. That means this answer is good, and this answer here, x equal to 0, is no good. Okay. So the answer for x equal to 0, where we check our answer, is no good. This solution is called extraneous solution. So here is our answer.